Hey everybody, welcome back to my IGTV. It's the weekend, baby. So today on my IGTV, I got a new wig, y'all, and I'm really excited about it. It's something a little different, and I'm excited and nervous, but y'all know I'm like excited and nervous about everything. This is the Wait. Do y'all see this texture? Yeah, write this down. This is the Kinknesis 22-inch. This is going to give me what needs to be gave. This texture is super beautiful, y'all. Without further ado, y'all, let's get into this video. Let's do it. Let's get cute. It's the weekend. It's time to get into this. Let's take this scarf off my head. My hair was already pre-braided down. I'm just going to part it down the middle because this is going to be so easy. But I had a little bit too much hair out, so I wanted to braid up just a little bit more because I had too much hair out. Now, can y'all believe this? I pressed record when I was putting on the wig, but it was totally not recording. But really quick, this is the wig. It has 6 combs, y'all, 2 straps. It felt so secure and tight on my hair. It was perfect for a middle part, and y'all, I can't wait for y'all to see these results. Now, do I think you really had to flat iron this more? I honestly love the texture. I just put it on a very low heat setting, as well as when I was blow drying my hair. I have not put heat on my hair in a year. So both flat iron and the blow dryer was on an extremely low setting. Did I just expose y'all to all of my gray hair? Ugh. Y'all can't tell me this hair is not growing out of my head. But thank you guys for watching. Love y'all.